I have too many long wallets already, but was looking for something slim yet it can fit quite a lot inside. So when I saw Fossil Store in Moa, I have to check their wallets. And luckily I found one. It's not a new collection, but it's okay because the feature is what I'm looking for. It's actually 10% off too. I got this nice vegan Fossil Cure Tab clutch wallet. It is crafted from organically grown cactus leaves. It's cool, isn't it? The leather is soft. It has 11 credit card slots, 1 ID window, 1 zip pocket for note compartments. I can also put bills and coins inside or at the outside zipper pocket. Overall, I love this style. It's lightweight, slim and compact wallet, and it can fit my stuff. It's a little bit pricey, but knowing it's a Fossil brand and it's vegan, so I know the quality is good as I already have a Fossil tote bag that I have for many years now. Just love my new vegan leather wallet. Thank you for watching.